None. Stage one, stability. This is all about building a safety net. Start with an emergency fund and pay off high-interest debts, baby steps, but crucial ones. Stage two, security. Now focus on consistent savings and basic investments. Think retirement accounts and index funds. You're securing your future $1 at a time. Stage three, flexibility. You've got a solid foundation, so let's get creative. Invest in diverse assets like real estate or a side hustle. Flexibility gives you breathing room and options. Stage four, independence. And this is where the magic happens. Your passive income covers all your expenses. Work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Financial freedom is yours, and there you have it. The 4 stages to achieving financial freedom. Simple, right? Start today and watch your financial future transform.